What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. Hey, y'all already know who it is, man. December DeMarco. We back with another Volted update. Volt Inu going absolutely crazy. We got a few things we got to take a look at. This is not coming as a surprise to those who really rock with me, who've been tuned into the channel. This is why it is a must that you subscribe. You got to remember, though, this is not financial advice. I'm just basically using my insights of the markets to basically help y'all become better informed investors. So take a look at this, right? First thing we see, Volt Inu already at almost 140,000 followers. Volt Inu has just gained around almost 20,000 followers in the last week alone. Imagine how bullish that is for our overall community growth when it comes to engagement on certain polls, posts, memes, just getting the community excited and riled up. We need that. That's social currency that will help Volt Inu stay strong even when markets tend to retrace. So we got first ever DAO proposal. We talked about this yesterday in yesterday's video. We're gonna get to the price in 1 second. I know that's what everybody came to hear about. We're gonna do some technicals as well, but we got the first ever DAO proposal. If this proposal is approved in 7 days, the bridge liquidity will be reduced by burning 44.85 trillion volt. Currently at the, well, not even at this price. Now it's worth more, but at yesterday's price, that was equivalent to 56 million US dollars, y'all. No project is doing anything like that in this space when it comes to low cap meme coins just getting off the press first year around the block. No one stands a chance, y'all. This is the next Shiba Inu, if you ask me. So, or the second option would be 25% of Uniswap liquidity will be allocated to Volt listing on Polygon. So here's the details here. We already got 1,531 likes on this already, almost 1,000 retweets, y'all. Y'all do the math. Let's take a look at this snapshot real quick, see where the voting is at. So right now we have 199.97% voting with 10 trillion vote tokens for option one, which is the $56 million burn, or 44.8 trillion tokens. Or we got 2.9 billion tokens voted at 0.03% for option two, which is to withdraw 25% of the Uniswap liquidity to allocate it to the Volt deployment on Polygon. So let's go back real quick, check out a few more posts we got from Vatoshi. Turning 500 into 282,000. Does it bring back memories? Yahoo Finance and the mainstream media didn't forget how crazy it can get. Take a look at this, y'all. This is from Yahoo Finance. We're getting articles from some of the top financial platforms in the space. You have to connect the dots. I know it's early right now. I know we still got a lot of major macroeconomic conditions going on. Also, I think we just seen something with Turkey, Syria, sending out prayers to everybody. I don't know what's going on, but we have to pay attention to all these different things in the market, so we will be getting updated on that as well. But Volt Inu right now is at a place where institutional money is sitting on the sidelines, possibly thinking about it. Institutional money is and I'm not saying just the major biggest banks, but we got some serious whales out there, and conglomerates or groups of whales that invest together and make certain moves, and these people are not ignoring Volt Inu. So I don't even think we've seen really a glimpse of what Volt Inu is going to do with it over this next year, 2 year leading up to the bull market. Now for me personally, Volt Inu is minimum 3 to 5 year investment for me. Now every day we go, it for me, my belief in the project just grows stronger and stronger. The belief in the community, belief in the utility, we just keep getting developments. Most meme coin projects you see like this, you get your, they start off possibly with no utility or little utility, and kind of that's it. It fizzles out from there. Not a year later developing the biggest utilities we've seen in the space. So, connect the dots, man. But Volt Inu now up 100% on the 7-day chart, while Bitcoin is down 3.4% during that same time. Shout out to BN for plugging us with that data. And then shout out to Zach. He said Volt is still climbing today. It didn't even slow down. Then we got Jay would drop in a new video here. It says a $56 million burn at the time of the proposal. But what will the value of that burn be by the time the proposal gets approved? 100 plus million. Let's think about that for a second, y'all. Yesterday's price was around that 14, 15-ish level. We were trying to test. Now we are in the 17s when it comes to Volt Inu. Now imagine how much more. That's about maybe 20% additionally on top. So let's see, let's try to see that 56 million plus that additional 22%, I think it is. So that's an additional 12 million if I'm not mistaken. So right now that's about 68 to 70 million dollars worth of Volt Inu that could potentially be burned if this proposal goes through. This is absolutely bonkers, y'all. Think about that. What do you think that's going to do to the price when you burn that many of a token supply, when people are hyped up about it, when people demand to buy more? The remaining supply becomes more scarce, which in turn makes it more valuable, y'all. Supply and demand. So we got Volt Inu also partnering up with ID Finance. ID Bets giveaway prizes 10 times 100 bonus bet, 1 silver, which will be 100 BUSD, and then third place, all 20 bonus bets using Volt links. Rules: follow ID token, and Volt Inu. Retweet, like, and tag 3 people. Register here. Look at this, man. Volt Inu taking it right back to, you know, the grassroots times on how you really build a community, collaboration, partnerships, you know, spreading the word, getting, you know, just doing something to get the name out there and getting people excited about it. So Volted Dragon Sailor Club said, what's the most voted skin? If you ask me, I say this diamond one here. I like the diamond or the gold one. Let's see what else we got here. VoltiChange adoption. Volt up. What a time to be voted. Welcome MetaTools ERC as the 78th project integrating the VoltiChange widget to burn their supply. Listen, if you are a project, you are close tapped in with a project, and you know that that project can use some more, you know, a little you should be reaching out to them and letting them know to get this VoltiChange widget on their website. Why? Because that not only allows the community easier access to be able to buy, but also gets free marketing and promotion through basically co-collaborating or cross collaborating with the Volt Army. The Voltoshi will retweet it on the Volt Inu Twitter page. The influencers covering Volt Inu will end up coming to see it and will say, you know, what is this MetaTools ERC project? So we'll check that out. Now we can see that, you know, they have 574 followers. I really want to get a series going on reviewing the projects that are adding the VoltiChange widget, because I have a belief that one of these coins are going to really, really take off, and I don't want us to miss them. You know, we want to be on top of everything that we can. But let's go take a look at the price, man. Okay, so let's take a look at the price. Let's adjust this over real quick so everything is lining up. Okay, we got that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so right now, Volt Inu at a $120 million market cap, y'all. I told y'all 1 billion is easy. A $1 billion market cap. That's only a 10x away from where we are right now. Less than 10x. Less than 10x. So we can see the last, you know, charting I did here. You can see we finally broke out of that level that I predicted. So we a while ago I told y'all, I gave y'all the heads up. I wrote these candles on the chart. I said the price is going to this level. The price is likely to move to this level, because you got to remember, I don't have a crystal ball here. I can be wrong sometimes as well. And we seen the price, you know, showing that it wanted to show signs of breaking out to this 1500 level. And guess what? We touched that level, and we actually now have broke above that level there. You know, I just want to say salute to everybody who's a part of the Volt Army, all those who are rocking with us. We are sitting at over 120. I got to say that again, over $120 million market cap. So right now, let's take a look at some of our indicators. We are absolutely riding this upper Bollinger Band, which is a bullish sign. When usually, you know, when it taps that upper Bollinger Band, I told y'all about this yesterday. I said that's usually showing signs that some people could sell off and want to sell off. Usually that's where most people take profit, but Volt Inu has so much momentum right now that it's likely to continue to keep going. Remember, we talked about the RSI, the relative strength index, being at already a 70. I think it was a 76, 73 yesterday. We know that 70 and above is considered overbought. 35 and below is considered oversold. But we know when there's this much momentum on it, we can see the RSI get up to 85, 90. And look where we are right now, 84.8. So this was a good sign, or a good call, how we lined up all those indicators yesterday. Remember, I told you these indicators just help you kind of pair with the knowledge that you already have on fundamentals, the overall economy as a whole, and you know, you just start to paint that picture of like, okay, this would affect this, this would affect this, this would affect this, how would this affect this if this would, so we should be around, you know, moving like this. That's just how you try to do. This is why I love to say connect the dots, because you got to connect some dots here. But MACD, absolutely, out of the water right now. You know what I'm saying? So it's looking really, really good for Vote Inu. I wouldn't be surprised if we start to see some type of pullback. You know, I wouldn't panic on that, but to be honest, I don't expect it. Why don't I expect the pullback just yet? We are up 23%. It's constantly growing. It was up 17% earlier, 20%, 22%, now 23% as the video is going. But look at the confidence in these candles. The bigger the candles are, notice how these candles are like, you know, like this, like this, like this, and then we got these candles coming out, you know, around this size. That shows more confidence in that movement upward. So when we see more confidence behind the movements that investors are making, we know that it's likely to, you know, kind of hold in that level, because especially when smart money smells this, smart money always likes to protect itself, and even if it retraces a little bit, smart money will come back in and, you know, continue to move it up. But we got to pay attention to everything that's going on in the market. So let's make sure we don't got no crazy wars starting off again right now. You know how that can do. But aside from that, it's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the overall market just to see how Vote Inu is comparing to the rest of the market. So overall market is only up 0.6%, but Vote Inu is up 23% on the day, and then we just killed it yesterday as well. So we got Bitcoin at 23,000, we got Ethereum at 16, only up, Bitcoin is only up 0.5%, almost 0.5%, 0.49, and then we got Ethereum up 1.65%. We got BNB, one of my favorite tokens, or actually coins of them all, at 328, only up 0.78%. So Vote Inu is basically leading the market. Even out of the top trending coins, Veracity, Hyperblah, MetaRuffy, 20%. Vote Inu is up 23%. So CoinMarketCap ain't even tracking us the way they should be right now, y'all. That's how bullish we are. XRP sitting at number 6 by market cap, sitting at 40 cents, only up 1% on the day. Cardano at 39 cents, only up 1% on the day. About Doge at 9 cents, up almost 0.5% for the day. Matic at 122, up 2.3% on the day. We got Solana at $23.26, up actually down 0.17% on the day, down 1.38% for the week. So Solana pretty much the only token really down for the week, aside from Stables, in the top 10 or top 11. And then we got Shiba Inu, number 12 by market cap, sitting at 1438, up 0.62% on the day, or 0.74% now, and then up 26% for the week. So, you know, connect the dots, super bullish right there. Shiba Inu at a $7.8 billion market cap. You know, no reason why Vote Inu can't move up to at least 1 billion. Let me show y'all what's that $1 billion market cap. What projects do we start dabbling around once we break into that first 1 billion? So 947. So here we go. Sandbox. So wait a minute. Okay, here we go. So Sandbox, $1 billion market cap, 52nd place by market cap. Remember in one of those live streams with Pablo, I said I could see Vote Inu easily going to a 30 to 50 place by market cap. So that would put us around the likes of Chills, True USD, Sandbox, Tezos, Data Network, Terra Classic. If Terra Classic can be at $1.1 billion market cap, there's no way Vote Inu can. Now let's take a look at number 30. If we go to number 30, let's see what's around this point. ApeCoin. ApeCoin sitting at a $2.1 billion market cap. So I told y'all, you know, I could easily see us reaching to a 2 point, you know, in best case scenarios, not overall best case scenario, but short term best case scenario as well. And within this next little run or, you know, bull market we may see. $2.1 billion market cap to be around the likes of ApeCoin. We have strong enough community, you know, we have strong enough utility, you know, with the meme aspects as well. You know, I think Vote Inu is really going to do it this year. So hopefully y'all are on board. Didn't mean to make this one this long, y'all. I'm just excited about the progress of Vote Inu right now. Let's take a look again one more time. We got Vote Inu at that 1742 level, up 23.8% on the day, continuing to grow. So I wouldn't be surprised if we're at that 23 level soon. Let's see where some of these, yep, right around this 23 level. We see we talked about this level a while back. You know, this was a while back when we reached these heights, and we got the opportunity to be back at these heights again. So stay tuned. That's all we got for this video. I will update y'all as soon as we get another update. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we